5 Best Flip Phone Cases. Here is the product number 5. Leather Flip Wallet Bookcase for Redmi. For Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 9A7 8 Pro 788A8T6 Leather Flip Wallet Bookcase for Redmi 9 Lite 95 9S 10 F1 Note 4 4X Cover. Design, plain. Function, dirt resistant, anti-knock, kickstand, with card pocket. Pattern, with card slot plus photo frame. Style, flip with stand. Here is the product number 4. Leather Flip Case for Samsung. Leather Flip Case for Samsung A70 A60 A50 A30 A20e Case for Galaxy A6 A7 A8 Plus A9 J4 J6 2018 S8 S10 Lite S9 S7 Note 9 Cover Coque. Material, leather and silicone back cover. Style, business leather. Color, black, brown, rose red, khaki, gray. Here is the product number 3. Leather Magnetic Flip Case for iPhone. Leather Magnetic Flip Case for iPhone XS or X11 Pro Max Wallet Card Holder Cover for iPhone 8 766s Plus 55 Say 2020 etui. Feature, magnetic flip cover holder stand function. Style, for man woman female male girl boy gentleman. Color, red, brown, black, blue. Design, matte. Here is the product number 2. Leather Flip Magnetic Case for Huawei. Size, perfectly suitable for Samsung series. Material, made of high-quality top-end Poo Crazy Horse leather. Color, black brown red blue hot pink as picture show. Feature, ultra slim retro handmade cell phone cover back coverage, multicolor, ultra slim. Function, back protective skid resistant, shock proof, dirt resistant, anti-fall. Here is the product number 1. Flip cover leather phone case for Huawei. Flip cover leather phone case for Huawei P30 P40 Pro P20 Mate 20 Lite X10 P10 Plus Mate 20 Mate 10 P30 P30 Pro P20 Pro Mate 20 Pro. Features, flip cover leather case with touch view. Function, heavy-duty protection, anti-knock. Special feature, with smart view, can answer the calls without opening the case.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.